जा सकता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
धन्यवाद। सुश्री सुष्मिता देव।
मैं संक्षिप्त में कहूंगी, आई वांट टू टेल द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, I congratulate you on this bill, but I'm sorry to say it is not only illegal, it is unconstitutional for 3 reasons. One, it's in violation of the latest December 2024 Supreme Court judgment, which says a government cannot declare an arbitrator unilaterally. Number 2, how can you, through rules, bring in criminal offenses? That is legislature versus the executive. Policy confusion. Where you've done privatization, how can you now control a regulatory body? Has it been done ever in telecom or energy? Look at your own history of privatization. And last but not the least, this ministry is not here only to regulate this ministry. And if you choose to do that, what you need to regulate is the prices of flying across the country. Every single member here has raised that, sir, and taken this opportunity. Today, you have 2 options in this nation in policy issue. One is profit, which is on the left of me, and the other is people, which is on the right of me. As All India Trinamool Congress, a voice of the people, we urge upon you कि आप कहते थे कि चप्पल से प्लेन पे चढ़ेंगे. You will ensure security, you will ensure routes, but make it possible for the poor person to get onto that aircraft fast. That is most important. I urge Honorable Minister that do not pass a law against a Supreme Court judgment. And सिलचर के एयरपोर्ट के बारे में कहा गया है, मैं कहना चाहती हूँ एयरपोर्ट तो मुझे भी चाहिए अध्यक्ष जी, मुझे भी चाहिए, but this airport, the land acquisition, the way it has been done, it has been on the blood, sweat and homes of tea garden laborers. 150 JCB लाके 1 घंटे में जमीन को दखल करके एयरपोर्ट बना रहे हैं, आज तक उनको कॉम्पेंसेशन नहीं मिला. So we are for development, we are for good policy, we are for the aviation industry to move ahead, especially coming from the northeast. We want people should be able to travel from distant places into the mainland. But is it possible is what you need to think. Subsidize tickets. It has been done before by Donor and Aviation Ministry. It can be done again. We will support every pro-people policy. But today, I am sad to say, sir, through the chair to the Honorable Minister, there is every possibility of this bill being struck down as ultra-virus of Article 14 for government unilaterally appointing an arbitrator. This bill will get struck out for the grip you want on this regulatory body. And last but not the least, the legislature and the executive, there is a difference. This is unconstitutional to, through rules, make criminal offences. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद. Shri Kinjarapu Rammohan Naidu to reply.